Hello everyone, my name is Ali Mohsin and my partner name is Rajak Ghai. Today we're going to be presenting a network security tool called NMap, which stands for Network Mapping. So now I'm going to be talking about a history of NMap. This tool was developed by Jordan Leon, and this network tool has very useful features such things called host discovery, port scanning, version detecting, and OS detection. Okay, so in this slide, as you can see a little picture on the right bottom corner, this is showing the network's mapping, like how it works. What is this tool's doing is identifying open ports and then is mapping them together and showing you what ports are open, and then for the security purpose, as you can see, the proxies and the website and their IP addresses. Okay, under the tool environment, we will be explaining the Nmap software. This software can be installed on multiple operating systems such as Linux, Windows, Mac, and many other operating systems. You can go to the website called www.nmap.org, and under the downloads you can find a setup for it, and then you can install them onto your computer. This is the ZenMap, right? So the ZenMap is for Windows, and this is for Linux, and this one is for a Mac. Okay, so the way this tool works is, what does it do is it looks up the DNS, the domain name system. It matches with your IP address, and then it pings the remote target with 0 bytes packets to each port. And if packets are not received back, which it means the port is open. However, if the packets are received, it means the port is closed, and sends different packets with different timing to determine filtered, unfiltered variant, etc. And the firewalls can be interfaced with this process as well. Okay, so this is an example of an Nmap scanning. So we downloaded the Nmap in our computers, and then we were trying to scan a website called www.paypal.com. So as you can see next to the command, we use the command nmap ss p and the names of ports, and O stands for operating system and V stands for verbose. So what SS stands for is stealth scanning. So for the three handshake, we can use the SS, and for the ports we can use the dash P. So instead of scanning the entire 65,532 ports, we can also specify the ports that we want to see, whether they are open, closed, or filtered. We can find the operating system to find vulnerabilities, and then we can verbose is used for the further scanning the in details. Suppose if you want to scan your website into details, so then you can use verbose commands as well. Okay, so this is another example of our basic Nmap scans. Like as you could see, Nmap SS stealth scanning for the operating system. This is a local website for a restaurant. So like if you wanna find vulnerabilities for the security purpose, for the network administrators and the hackers can use it to hack websites and stuff. So you can, I mean, this tool is so powerful. Like you can scan multiple things, and you can scan for security purposes or for anything you want to scan. You can scan your port. So this is a basic example that we used to explain how these examples works and these command works. So as I mentioned earlier, if you go to the website called www.nmap.org, under the download you can find a setup for it. So just to give you a little experience how it works is like it's very easy to install. You just agree, you hit next, just read the instructions and agreements and stuff if you want to. Fairly easy to use. Firewall problems and network setting issues you can find out through these tools, and user guides are available online, and there are many tutorials can be found in through YouTube's and everything, and the scan time can range from a few seconds to several hours. So this is a very powerful tool. So it can scan over a range of IP addresses and utilize stealthy scanning as well. So under the ethical issues, I would say it can be used for hacking, as I mentioned above, to discover vulnerabilities and stuff for the ports. System admins can use it to check that system meets security standards. Unauthorized use of Nmap on a system could be illegal, so make sure you have permission before using this tool. I mean, there's no harm scanning your websites or any website you want to scan. That's good. So you can use this tool to find vulnerabilities or weaknesses of your web pages or any host if you want to scan. Right. All right. So just the overview of an Nmap. It's the security tool which is used to find host service, operating system, and which port are open or closed, up or down, or filtered. It's a free network tool which is used by network administrators or hackers to find weaknesses and vulnerabilities. Thank you all of you for listening our presentation. I hope you liked it, and I hope you find this tool useful. If you ever want to try, you can always go download it and test it by yourself. Thank you all once again.